If you're a believer, then you know the power of prayer. But did you know it can change entire battles? In the Bible, we see prayer moving mountains and winning wars. Take Job, for example. He prayed and remained faithful, even in the face of immense suffering. And who could forget King Hezekiah? His prayer saved Jerusalem from the Assyrian army. Call to me, and I will answer you, says Jeremiah 33:3. Mark 11:24 says, therefore I tell you, whatever you ask in prayer, believe that you have received it, and it will be yours. And Matthew 21:22 reminds us, and whatever you ask in prayer, you will receive if you have faith. It's not just ancient history, it's a promise for us today. So, what battles are you fighting? Comment below and tell us your prayer stories.